In this module, I'd like to show you how to use SQL Backup to implement log shipping. First, let's go over some log shipping fundamentals. Typically, you'll have full backups in place for your databases that run once a day or maybe once a week, for example. In between those full backups, you might run differentials, but you will almost always run transaction log backups. If you're not sure what these different types of backups mean, be sure to go back to Module 3 where I explain backup fundamentals. Log shipping takes advantage of these transaction log backups to keep a standby database up to date with production. After a transaction log backup is taken, it's copied to a network share. It's then restored to the standby database, which is in no recovery or standby mode. Log shipping has quite a few benefits. The main benefit is that it gives you a copy of your data for disaster recovery purposes. You might want to keep a copy in a different geographic location, for example. Keep in mind, however, that this is a manual failover. Depending on how you configure log shipping, you can query the standby database. You must make sure that there are no connections to the database when it's time to restore the log backup file. One of the main reasons that I've used log shipping in the past is for migrations to new hardware or a new VM. I would start log shipping a few hours or a day before the migration to the new server. When it was time to perform the cutover, the outage would just be a couple of minutes. Log shipping has been around for a really long time, and there are other options, for example, always-on availability groups or replication. These other methods have some benefits not seen in log shipping, but you can't beat log shipping's simplicity. Log shipping is a built-in feature of several editions of SQL Server, and you can also set it up with your own scripts. But SQL Backup makes log shipping even better because it retries the operations if a network copy fails.